The best way to learn correct and natural English pronunciation is to listen carefully to native English speakers, imitate them as best as you can, and repeat the process over and over. That's the way language really is learned, not the textbook way. You listen, you imitate and repeat. That's the way to do it. That's the best way, and that's the cool way to do it. Because improve pronunciation with good enunciation. Remember proper diction, yeah. Count on imitation, yeah. The power of repetition, that is the mission. After all, remember, repetition is the mother of learning. Yeah. Listen carefully to how real people speak. Imitate them as best as you can. And repeat the process over and over so you learn it. That's the way language is learned. Improve pronunciation with good enunciation. Remember proper diction, yeah. Count on imitation, yeah. And the power of repetition, that is the mission. After all, remember, repetition is the mother of learning. After all, yeah.